perform the diaphragmatic breathing. You can do the diaphragmatic breathing in almost any position, sitting, standing, on your knees, or lying on your back with your knees bent, although avoid this after approximately week 20 of pregnancy. If you're sitting or standing, you can place your hands on your bump or your stomach if you're not pregnant to help you feel the movements better. Start by taking a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, think about pressing the air out of your lungs with your whole core. Some pregnant women like to think of hugging their baby with their core muscles. What I mean by your whole core is that we're going to engage each core muscle, beginning at the bottom and working our way up, scooping from the lower abdomen, tightening your core from downwards and up. So I'll break it down. As you begin to exhale, engage your pelvic floor muscles. You feel it comes together and lifts up. And as you continue to exhale, engage your abdominal muscles, both at the front and the transverse abdominals on the sides. That's why it's good to keep your hands on your belly to feel these muscles contract. So you're kind of creating a wave of muscle contraction, starting in your pelvic floor muscles and then moving up as you exhale. This way, you can think of it as you're pressing the air out of your lungs with your core muscles. Now, as you inhale again, relax these muscles that you have now contracted, thereby expanding your ribs and belly, and focus on releasing all muscle tension, including the pelvic floor. Notice the difference between the shallow chest breathing and diaphragmatic breathing with correct core engagement. With the shallow chest breathing, we have no core support. Tension increases up into the chest, neck and shoulders, and it's very uncomfortable. But by doing the diaphragmatic breathing, we breathe better and we engage the core correctly.